Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper. Zippers are essential on many items, from jackets to bags, but they can often malfunction. We'll cover common problems like teeth that won't connect or a slider that just won't stay put. You'll learn practical, easy-to-follow steps to get your zippers working smoothly again, saving you time and money on replacements. A common issue is when zipper teeth separate behind the slider. To fix this, you'll need a pair of small pliers. Gently squeeze the bottom of the slider, where the two sides meet, to slightly narrow the gap. Be careful not to oversqueeze, as this can damage the slider. Once tightened, carefully work the slider back onto the zipper track and test it by zipping it up and down a few times. If your zipper keeps sliding down, the slider itself might be too loose. This often happens when the metal has worn down or spread slightly. Take a pair of needle nose pliers and gently squeeze the top and bottom plates of the slider together. Apply light, even pressure. You want to tighten its grip on the teeth without crushing it. Test the zipper. It should now hold its position much better. Sometimes, a zipper might have a missing tooth or a broken stop. For missing bottom stop, you can purchase a replacement metal stop and crimp it into place with pliers. If a top stop is missing, you can sew several stitches across the top of the zipper tape to create a new barrier. For more complex issues, like several missing teeth, a full zipper replacement might be the most durable solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.